you can make a fortune from small change. So, yun, ito nga, 10 pesos a day, kahit, it will give you more than 1.2 million pesos after 35 years at 10%, no? Kasi 10 pesos a day, madaling gastusin kasi 10 lang eh. But with realizing this, that over time, you know how to grow that money, it can become million over time. So, hindi mo sasayangin yung barya, hindi mo sasayangin yung 10 pesos a day. Pag iipunin mo yan, so times 10, so 100 pesos a day will give you more than 12 million pesos after 35 years. Yung mga barya-barya, no? Siyempre, barya-barya, wag naman, dagdagan mo lang. But you can start with barya-barya. Again, you can make a fortune from small change. So if your family spends one bottle per day, which of course, kung naging habit niyan, mas marami, 20 pesos a day times 30 days per month, that times 30, yun, total of 600 pesos na yung pwede mong ipunin. Saan ka dadalhin ng 6.4 million? It's more than 2 million pesos after 35 years. What if sa bahay lang talagang tipid ka, that 3,200 pesos a month will give you more than 10 million pesos after 35 years. 4 items pa lang, magkano na ano mo, you can make, no, future income of more than 24 million.